Hello viewers, how are you? It's me Shakil here and you are watching my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorials. This tutorial all about Android SDK. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Android SDK on your Kali Linux 2060.1. So let's start. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected with my channel. Installing Android SDK is a very long process. For this, I already installed all these packages. You have to execute all this command to your terminal. After successfully install all these packages, then follow me. You can find this command on description. After installing all packages, open up terminal. Then type Android, then hit enter. It's going to launch Android SDK Manager. Now you have to install some more packages. Select all the tools. And your Android version 4.4.2. Click on install packages. Then accept the license and click install. After successfully install all these packages, click on Tools. Then click on Manage AVDS, Android Virtual Device. Now create a virtual device. Give a name. Select device. Select your Android version. Skin SVGA. Give a RAM size and internal storage size. Then click OK. Select it. Click on Start. Then click Launch. Now it's going to launch your virtual Android device. There. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected with my channel. Thanks for your watching. Thank you.